This is the weight loss soup. It's a one-pot cabbage soup that is so easy to make. You'll need a large pot and then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Half of an onion, about 2 cups of fresh tomatoes or a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 bell pepper, 2 large carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Once the vegetables become tender, add 3 cups of chicken stock. Then I add the seasonings. I use 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, a half a tablespoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a bouillon cube, and half a teaspoon of basil, thyme, and oregano. Add 3 cups of water and 1 large head of cabbage. Once the cabbage has cooked down, add a 1/4 cup of parsley and a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. When all the vegetables have become tender, then you're done. Thanks for watching.